Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 5, leçon J. And in this lesson, we'll refresh your memory and try to see together the passé composé form of the verb parler. Parler is to speak or to talk. Okay, so let's discover it right now. First person, j'ai parlé. Tu as parlé. Il a parlé. Elle a parlé. Nous avons parlé. Vous avez parlé. Ils ont parlé. Elles ont parlé. Alright? So remember, passé composé, you've got to use two parts. The first one, avoir in that case, and then what we call participe passé. This participe passé form, as you can see, doesn't change for all the persons. You will have to put avoir at the present tense here. Okay? J'ai parlé. Tu as parlé. Il a parlé. Feminine form, elle a parlé. Nous avons parlé. Little liaison here. Nous avons parlé. Vous avez parlé. Same thing here. Little liaison. Ils ont parlé. Same thing here. Ils ont. Elles ont parlé. Okay? Regular verb, quite easy to remember. Next lesson is here. And more material can be found at the following address. Have a great day. Bye-bye.